What if I told you there's a tool that can streamline your work, boost productivity, and even help you achieve your goals? It's not a magic wand, but it's pretty close. Ever wondered how much it costs to organize your chaotic life? Or maybe you've been eyeing Trello but were hesitant about the price tag. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Trello, a popular project management tool that has taken the digital workspace by storm. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the pricing, let's understand why Trello is such a big deal. Trello's benefits. Trello's intuitive interface, coupled with its flexibility, makes it a favorite among individuals and teams alike. From personal to-do lists to complex project management, Trello can handle it all. Here's a quick rundown of some of its key features. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with ease. Cards. Represent tasks or projects. Lists. Organize your cards into different stages. Labels. Color code tasks for quick identification. Attachments. Add files and documents directly to cards. Comments. Collaborate with team members and discuss tasks. Power UPS. Enhance Trello's functionality with additional features. Pricing breakdown. Now let's get to the point. How much does Trello cost? The good news is, Trello offers a free tier that's packed with features. Here's a breakdown of the different plans. Free plan. Unlimited boards and cards. Basic power-ups. 10 megabytes attachment limit. Limited integrations. Standard plan. Everything in the free plan plus unlimited attachments. Advanced search. More power-ups. Priority support. Premium plan. Everything in the standard plan plus advanced checklists. Custom backgrounds. More integrations. Priority support. Additional costs. While the base plans are relatively straightforward, there are a few additional factors to consider. Power UPS. Some power-ups are free, while others require a paid subscription. Integrations. Connecting Trello to other tools might incur additional costs. Enterprise solutions. For large organizations with specific needs, Trello offers tailored enterprise solutions that come with custom pricing. Is Trello worth it? The question on everyone's mind is Trello worth the cost? The answer depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a solopreneur or a small team looking for a simple and effective project management tool, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you require more advanced features and integrations, upgrading to a paid plan might be worthwhile. So there you have it. Trello offers a range of pricing options to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting out, Trello can be a valuable tool for organizing your work and achieving your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.